Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dublin, and the local time now is 25 to 2. We're 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival time. For your own comfort, but especially for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check the overhead bins and the seat pockets in front of you for your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. Taking particular care when opening the overhead bins of items which may have become displaced during the flight may fall out and cause injury to you or to another passenger. Please do not switch on your mobile phone until the aircraft is stopped and the doors have been open. If you are travelling onwards by air today and are in possession of an onwards boarding card, please proceed through arrivals and take the stairs up to the departures level. The stairway is located beside carousel number 1. On behalf of Captain John O'Connell and the rest of his crew this afternoon, we thank you for flying with Aer Lingus. We hope you enjoyed the flight with us, and we look forward to seeing you on board again soon. Don't forget to check our website, airlingus.com, for our lowest fares and great deals on hotels, travel insurance and Hertz car hire. Gurama Gurbakorja, free hostel Aer Lingus in youth, Sulugwing, Grev, Thursday, Thasagwev, Thrawn, August, Banning, Galir. Thank you, good afternoon, and have a safe onwards journey.